Welcome everyone to Module 2. In Module 2 we're going to be reading Chapter 2 and we're going to be focused on the role of comparative advantage, absolute advantage, and the circular flow diagram. So all very important graphs that we're going to focus on. For this week you're going to have quiz number 1, you're going to have 20 questions, 60 minutes, and 1 attempt. When you start the quiz, you have to complete it because you only get 1 attempt at the quiz. So make sure to focus on that. When you start it, you have to complete it at that point. So let's go over some questions that you might see. You're going to have now remember it's random, so I'm going to give you more questions than you might see. This will help you focus on what you're looking at. Going to give you a graph of the production possibility frontier called the PPF, and you're going to have to evaluate the term opportunity cost in your work. In the circular flow model, who are producers? What are households? What's the term scarcity? What is the principle of opportunity cost? What does the PPF illustrate? What does the PPF assume? Where are natural resources in production made available? What is a factor of production? The factor of productions are entrepreneurship, land, labor, capital. Points outside the PPF. Points inside the PPF. What is the definition of comparative advantage? What's the opportunity cost of going to an outdoor music festival? If the PPF is bowed outward, what does that mean? What is an example of the factor of production? What does an outward shift of the PPF represent? What does an inward shift represent? What is a market economy? What does Adam Smith assume about humans? And what does Adam Smith assume about the invisible hand? And the last couple questions that you could see deals with the circular flow diagram. So I'm going to give you a diagram and you focus on the circular flow. Now remember, that's all that you have required for this week. Make sure to study, prepare, use the resources that I have. If you have any questions, let me know, but I look forward to your effort this week.